Hello viewers all over the world, my name is Coach Shelton. Before you watch this video, I want you to do me a favor. Just like and follow my YouTube account so that you will not miss out any video from me. So today I'm going to take you through the final part, or the part 3 of Nhemamusasa song on the nyunga mbira, and the part 3 will be key replacement. So let's get into it. So today we are doing key replacement. Key replacement, we are mainly focusing on the right side. So we are replacing the down keys with the upper keys, right? So remember, on the second part, we were saying right. Now we are going to replace the key 3 on the right side with the upper key, but on the third hit, like 3 down from right, 2 left, then 3 upper key from the right side, then 2, right? So we are saying, okay, I'm going to repeat. Remember, we are starting with our right hand. 3 from your right, 2 from your left, then 3 upper key from your right, then 2 down key from your left. So it will be like 3, 2, 3, 2. We together? So it's, then we move now to 1 from your right and 2 from your left. Then, so it will be like 1 down, 2 down, 1 up, and 2 down, like this. Right, so combining the first and the second, then we move on. We are still on the first part of Nhemamusasa, right? Then we move on to 1 1, 1 from your right and 1 from your left, 1 from your right, down key, right from your left, down key, 1 from your right, up key, 1 from your left, down key, like this. Right, that's the first part. Remember, on my first episode, I told you that Nhemamusasa is made up of 4 parts. So that is the first part. So the first part, when you combine it together, will be right. Now we move on to the second part. So it's 3 down from your right, 2 down from your left, then 3 up key from your right, and 2 down key from your left. Right. Then we move on to 4 from your right and 3 from your left, like 4 down right, 3 down left, 4 middle 4 up key, and 3 down key. So it will be like, then we move forward, 1 from your right, then 4 from your left, 4 from your left, 1 up from your right, then 4 from your left. So if we combine it together, it will be like, then that's the second part. So the second part, when you combine it together, it will be like, right. So first and the second part, it's from the beginning. Now let us move to the third part. Right. It's 2 down from your right, 1 down from your left, and 2 up from your right, and 1 from your left. Then we move on, 4 and 3. 4 down from your right, 3 down from your left, 4 up the middle 4 from your right, and 3 from your left. Then 1 from your right, 1 down from your right, then 4 from your left, 1 up from right, and 4 from left. That's the third part. So combining the third part is then now the final part. Final part, we are starting from 3 from your right, 3 down from your right, then 2 down from your left, 3 right, then 2 left, then 3 up from your right, and 2 down from your left. Then we move on to 1 2, 1 from your right, and left 2 from your left, down 1 2, then 1 up and 2 down. Then we move on to 2 and 2, 2 from your right and 2 from your left, 2 down from your right, 2 down from your left, 2 up from your right, and 2 from your left. Then the final part combined together is, now let us combine all the parts. Then from the beginning, then key separation, then key replacement, then a little bit faster, then that's all for the beginners. Thank you so much.